So this is the box vent. It still has the chalk marks from the adjusters meeting and the dings from the hail. We would have to remove and replace. In order to do that, it's going to affect this shingle, this shingle, this shingle, this shingle, this shingle, this one, as well as the other two on the left side. I've gone ahead and chalked out what is the standard size for an 18-inch by 18-inch box vent with this perimeter. All of these X's are going to be symboling where the nails would need to be placed in order to be removed, to remove this box vent, and then reattached with the new product. I have this pitch gauge, which is a blunt tool. It's very flat, just kind of show how well bonded these shingles are in order for us to get to the flashing, where you can kind of see right here the metal on the flashing, the sealant that was used to create a seal for it. All of this is going to have to be manipulated in order for us to remove this and replace it. Now, this box vent is one solid piece. It's used for ventilating the attic, and these shingles here on the left side of it are going to tie directly into the hip, which is going to create an issue with manipulating these shingles as well. The shingles that we are working with have been found to be no longer in production, so we don't have an adequate replacement product. The shingles have a 5-inch exposure, which is no longer made, and it's approximately 37 inches long on one that's not cut. So this is a shingle that we cannot get anymore. So in order for me to get this material out, I have to unbond these shingles all around, which now we will not be able to replace, and that's going to go into this hip. So this is the problems that we are having with the current scope of work. Now, there's much more than just this vent that was dinged with hail. This is only vent that has been recognized. Obviously, we have ventilation over here that had hail dings on it. We had metal up here, soft metal, also hail dings across it. Those were not recognized. We had dings on the roof surface that were not taken into consideration. And here are some of the more significant ones. There's a hail strike right here. You can tell because it is soft to the touch. There's a hail strike right here. Pretty big. It's bigger than my thumb, twice the size of my thumb. Also soft to the touch. So we do have hail damage across this entire roofing surface, which was not put originally on the scope. This was the only thing that was allowed for. And in order for us to access this, even to remove it, we have to get into these shingles, which are very well bound to this roof. This surface, you can see, is not a repairable surface. So in order to affect the removal and replacement of this, it is going to affect this slope, which creates a compatibility issue. I don't believe that this can be done by the prescribed scope of work that has been given. And again, you can hear the metal flashing. It's going to be all across this border right here. GoPro, stop recording.